Local students learned today what to do when there's a tornado warning.
We are now entering into a cold zone.
The statewide tornado drill was held at exactly 9:45 this morning. This is video from Elephants Fork Elementary in Suffolk.
Yes, I think our students are extremely prepared, being as though our building has kind of faced some unfortunate weather drills before that were the real thing. So we've done a lot to prepare them, and I think they did an excellent job.
You may remember an EF3 tornado damaged Elephants Fork Elementary School in 2008. Storm's winds tossed around portable classrooms and broke windows.